I've been teaching engineering graduates from last 15 to 18 years. My problem was whatever I was teaching was not directly taken by the industry. Like I take embedded system design, VLSI design. I take this subject, we follow a particular curriculum, and being a state university, it's a AICT model curriculum which we follow. But whatever I teach, never any student applied it in industry. And so what reverse was coming to me was, ki ma'am, these subjects are not taken by the industry. Okay, fine. So in engineering, 60% of engineers, whichever branch they belong to, were at the end working as a software engineer only. So 4 years of your engineering, where you were totally told by your faculty members, you are getting deep into the subject, deep into research, deep into physics, electronics, or your core branches. It was not taken by the industry. Second step in this field which I took was, I started doing the case study of some famous entrepreneurs, Steve Jobs. I even studied Google, how Larry and Brin thought of getting into Google. While I was doing this case study, what I realized was, in engineering at Sun, their first assignment, first question was, develop in 1990s. Now I'm talking about 1990s, and when they were doing their engineering, their first assignment was develop a model or develop a assignment where you need to figure out the review of movies of different people. So if I give a particular review for a particular movie, so I need to find out whether this movie will be liked by me or not. So it's simple data analysis what they were doing, but they were doing it in 1990s. They built a complete automatic water management system which we have in streets right now. You must be going around and you'll be seeing vertical farming on our roads. So this was the second assignment which they completed in 1990s, 1995. Right now in our curriculum in Indian academia, what we are doing is, we have added IoT, artificial intelligence, data science, being the global subject as a part of curriculum, and now we are interested in our students going through these curriculum. Again, after getting this inculcated in our curriculum, after 5 to 10 years, we will find out whether industry will be absorbing these engineering candidates or not. So this huge gap of what research is going on in academics and what is applied by industry do persist. Last 1 month, it's a personal thing to share. I was going through my father-in-law's batch when he did engineering. So he's a Nilokheri pass out, batch of 18 students when they did their MTech, and the projects they undertook. They all worked on lathe machines. What kind of coal should be used? Those were Indo-German projects, and it happened in 1979s, 1980s. So whatever they learned, they were able to apply at that particular moment. Our students, whatever they are learning in technology, they are not able to apply it in industry. So what do we look forward is, when we talk about this STEM in education system, we do look forward to STEM, what is needed by the industry also. So this gap is where the question was back 10 years back also, 20 years back also, and still exists. So if we could find out a particular model, a particular frame system where a continuous feedback from industry is given to academia, and according to the base of that industry, we change our curriculum. So in that particular academia, we are building a huge skill developed academic product. So this kind of model or framework is strictly needed, so that the students, see, you cannot come out of this mindset ki you study and their job is at the question mark. No, we cannot come out of this. So we need to accept it. We do our studies, but we need a outcome also. So this can be only possible if a complete framework is pre-decided, given to academician, and that particular industry is having a tie-up.